All right. There we go. And then we're going to switch to our highlighter. This is the Juvia's Place Volume 3. I just love this. Is a beautiful color. We're actually going to use this. So keep this out because we're going to use this a little bit later on in our eyeshadow look that we're doing today. So fluffy side of the brush right here on the top of that cheekbone and beside the temple. Yeah, I got more answers in, but it still looks like we're about 50-50 with who wears their actual clothing and who doesn't. All right. Now we got a little bit of that going on. We're going to add some color now. So we got some definition, but now we need a little color. So we're going to be using today the Juvia's Place. This is the Volume 4.